please be safe. I know that the stage is very close to the seats here, so be mindful of everyone around us. Yes? Yeah? Can I get that? Okay. Okay, this is the last panel of KCON 2024. Are we ready?
Yes!
Okay, alright. Are they ready back there?
Hindi ko po alam paano mag-off ng comment.
Screams out here? Alright? And please say hello to all what everyone is looking for. Beanie! So please give him a round of applause while Beanie is here at KCON 2024. Alright, Beanie. Ladies, you mind doing an official greeting to everyone here today, please?
Mabuhay! Hi guys, I'm Soledad. Hi, I'm Stacy. Hi, I'm Malloy. Hey everybody, I'm Aya.
Aya!
Hi, I'm Sheena. Hey!
So I kind of want to do an icebreaker, right? Because we're all here. Whose first time is it learning about Beanie, or who got to know Beanie after last night? Okay, well we love it. We love that you're here. And for the Beanie members, my first question as an icebreaker is, if you were to enter this room right now, what would be your entrance song? And it could be anything.
Guys, sorry.
What would be your walk-in song?
The song we chose is Let's Kill This Love by Blackpink.
Oh!
You know? Sample stuff.
Sample?
5, 6, 7. We gotta kill this love, yes, that's true. We gotta kill this love. We gotta kill, let's kill this love.
I'd love to see it. Stacey, actually, a question: who is your bias celebrity?
Lanisa Manaba.
Okay, so we got a couple of questions before we get into some games that we would love to play with the Blooms here today. So, first of all, how has KCON been so far?
It's definitely one for the books. I mean, it was just a dream for us to watch the K-pop groups that we idolize, but now we've been given the chance to share the stage with them.
Can you walk me through when you found out and how you reacted? Do you remember all of those details by any chance?
We were actually in Beanie vs. Baguio. Like, they asked us to do a spill. And then suddenly we were like, wait, what? KCON LA? Like, we have to do a spill for KCON LA. And then that's when we realized, that's when they told us that we're performing the pre-shows. So we were just all shocked. Like, we were speechless. We didn't know that we were going to KCON LA, because it's such an honor to be here really in front of you guys. So thank you so much for the support.
The nation's girl group of the Philippines here, you know? Did you have any starstruck moments when you were in the backstage listening? By any chance?
Reggie. Oh yes. We met in Hypen. I can't believe it too, but we met them. They're so kind and handsome. We also met NMIXX.
to know about Beanie for who is trying to learn and get into the Beanieverse. What is the meaning behind Beanie?
Oh, our leader usually answer this, but
Oh, Joanna.
oh yeah, don't be sad. She's fun. Oh, she's here. Hi, Ate Jo. Okay. Yes. Beanie came from the Filipino word bini, which means young lady, and what do you call this? We aim to embody the modern Filipina through our music and our performances, while also promoting confidence and empowerment.
We started pushing for our dreams at a very young age, and we want to inspire people that there is no age limit in pursuing your dreams. Yeah, if you want it, then go for it.
So, for everyone here, obviously we're at KCON, it's K-pop, and there's P-pop now, there's J-pop, but how would you define P-pop, or what do you think are the differences between P-pop and K-pop?
So P-pop. P-pop is genre of popular music in the Philippines. It warms our hearts that it is gradually being accepted in our country as it is still being introduced in the Philippines. P-pop aims to showcase Filipino culture and creativity in international stage, resonating with both local and global audiences.
All saying A. Sheena, do you mind?
So A-able.
What's A? What's A?
I'll define A. Yes. How do you define A? What is the definition? Yes. So to everyone who doesn't know A, it came from the root word E. It's a thing in the Philippines. It's our thing. We do this. Yes, and we just say A. Just randomly.
Everyone good?
L. A. Thank you.
You're welcome. So we kind of know. I kind of want to know what music did you listen to growing up, and what kind of inspired you to become the P-pop idol you are today?
I grew up listening to Filipino music actually.
Yes.
Miss Sarah G. And also K-pop. I'm actually a son. I study also EXO. How about you, Colette?
So a lot of K-pop, EXO, I grew up with them, listening to their music. I feel like that's what that I want to be like them. So I joined. I'm here, Beanie. I joined.
Yay! So A-able.
So I know you guys have a history of covering K-pop songs as well, and I saw some of your performances. I'm wondering if there's a favorite K-pop song you guys really love. You okay? Is there a K-pop song that you really love the covering? Like your covers.
Budots daw. I love everything.
I didn't like your one.
We covered Fever by it's Sky and Wannabe by
I don't know.
More by Twice. Yes, and then Mamamoo. How you like that with Blackpink? Yeah.
Since we are talking about K-pop artists, it could be K-pop artists or not. For each and every one of you, who is an artist you'd actually really like to collaborate with? You have an English single out now. You have so many songs in your repertoire. Who would it be? Let's go one down the line. Let's go.
I would choose ITZY.
Who's
My bias is Cheryl, but I love all of them, and I'm waiting for Leah to
It could be anyone.
Mine would be Sabrina Carpenter.
Aside from Blackpink, I would like to collaborate with SZA.
Mine would be Twice. I like Ate Gio and
For those of you who don't know what ate means, it means big sister, like on name. So in Tagalog, it means yeah, you're already calling Gio on you. Yes, I am.
Mine is Sing with Malloy. Twice. And I'm voting for Mina!
Wala, hindi ko makita si Gwen. Ayun,
Yes,
sige.
twice.
Twice. Put it twice.
Nagadi ako mga pink.
Ayun, si Gwen.
Ang weird naman.
It's hard.
Mine would be in heaven, in heaven, Jumon.
There's so many things that have happened to you guys over the past 2 years that led you to where you are today. And what would you say is the most memorable moment? Is that today? This week?
Take on LA.
Ooh.
This is the very first time. Oh no, it's our second time to be here in LA, but our first time to perform in front of K-pop fans and this many people.
We are P-pop stars! P-pop!
Oh my God! Nakakaya kayo!
So I know. No, no. So I was saying, you guys are about to embark on your tour, right? So what's one thing you have to bring on tour? Like, how do you prepare yourselves then?
I would probably bring my medyo sabaw. Okay, I will bring my makeup. Yeah.
Passport.
Yeah, I will say passport. I will say passport.
That is true. Anyone else?
My in-ear monitor. My Sony Angels. Pwede, in-ear monitor, that's not showing us. My camera! My Samsung phone.
Oh! Sponsor! Sponsor!
Oh, and my MAC powder NC15. My shade.
They promote yarn.
So if there's anywhere else that you would like to travel to when you embark on this tour, where would you like to go?
Bay Area.
Okay, Washington. Let's say the whole United States or the major cities. Maybe let's manifest an arena tour. Maybe. Come So is there I just want to know, is there a pre-show ritual that you guys do?
Pray. And pray after retouch and warm-ups. Vocalize and we need to then clap. I give each other a high five.
Solid high five.
If there's a song you could recommend to everyone here that's part of your discography, what song would it be?
Karera! Salamin! Salamin! Karera!
That is
Cherry.
single Cherry on Top. You should listen to Carrera.
Woo!
Oh, you explained it. Getting more. Okay, so Carrera is actually translation to English. It means race, but the meaning of the song is life is not a race, and it talks about how you should just go at your own pace, basically, because I feel like a lot of people are pressured to reach a certain standard at a certain time limit or at a certain age. So I feel like a lot, or everyone would relate to it because it's just common that you're pressuring yourself just to be something at a certain time. But really, go do your own thing, go with the flow, whatever you want, as long as you're not hurting anyone.
And you already mentioned Cherry on Top, and you performed that
Paano
last
mag-zoom out?
night.
Ano ba yan?
I kind of want to know what the meaning behind it is. So, Cherry on Top, babe.
O, sino mag-explain?
In your words.
For me, cherry on top, it's like you're being confident in yourself. You know, the cherry on cake, it's on top because you're on top. Whatever.
Wow! Oh my God! Ay, sorry.
The coconut is,
What's the meaning?
It's not a nut.
if you eat too much, you get
Get it. To get it.
So, you did mention Cherry on Top. I kind of want to hear a snippet.
Woo! Ayun, good. I-record mo yun.
Do you guys want to hear a snippet?
Yes!
Do you guys want to hear an acapella snippet of it?
Yes!
So why don't we listen to it? Are you guys ready?
Wala guys, sorry.
Yeah, let's get the tune first. They gotta be.
Sorry, ang daming phone.
They gotta get their sound check.
May nagpapiano.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Acapella. Yay!
Cherry on top of things. What is a fun fact about yourself that no one knows?
Fun fact na.
Oh my god.
I feel like me and Ate Malor, we like watching every time we eat. Yeah. Watching something. Like
Had kids.
when we were roommates, our
had kids.
iPhones would flash the sounds. Yes. Ano ikaw?
Oh, and you too.
She is anger.
From inside out?
She'll be, yeah, they throw anger all the
No, I
time.
have anger issues too. I think that people get along. I'm short-tempered too.
Oh, okay.
So don't worry.
Same.
Oh, well, you said. I may be very noisy when I'm with Beanie, but in reality, I'm very introverted. Yeah. Yes,
Decision?
Bakit yarn? Perfect yarn?
How about you? Me? You think for me? I collect Sony Angels, Hirono, and Mokusan, and other cute stuff.
How many do you know?
I have like 30 plus. Sony Angels, that's Sony Angels.
Dami.
Yeah.
30 plus ka?
I'm here. You? When she speaks, like loud, and then to like yeah, right. Like when I go to the mall, like I. So when you listen to her, like I can magnet everyone. Well. Like that. That's the fun part. Another fun fact. I don't know if it's fun though, but I think nobody knows. It's a fact. I have 5 stitches. She has a Stitch sister now. Stitch Hope. Yeah. I got it.
So proud of her stitches.
Stitches.
How for you? How for you, Bebe? Bebe, even though like we're in a what do you call this, like 9 hours land travel like that, she doesn't listen to music. She can survive without music. Can you? No. Right? Respect. Yeah, respect. You think for me?
You should have said it sooner, so I should have thought of it.
Oh my gosh, ang cute ni Sheena.
She has the fluffiest cheeks.
So, what are, now that you're in
Pwede ka maging official photographer.
Ang ganda, girl. Picture ka pa, ha?
Pinawa to mga ano niya.
Ay, sorry.
Tagmukha mo.
what are your dreams, aspirations, and inspirations?
Guys, sino gusto nyo makita? Isa-isa. Ang hina ng boses nila. Bakit ang hina? Ayan na. Si Aya na.
We would want to perform more in international, not just in the Philippines, but syempre in the Philippines too. We hope that we get to win more awards, we get to meet more people, hopefully Kina Arena in the future, Coachella, that's also we have a lot of goals.
Now, we do have a special game to play with you members. Okay, is our producer on the side ready to play? Are you ready to play the game with the music? Yeah? Okay, so we're going to play a 3-second song. So 3-second guess game. Yeah, guess that song. We're gonna play 6 songs. And these are songs that
Guys, nangangalay na ako, guys.
and P-pop songs, but you guys know them. Alright? Ready? Alright, so the first song. Raise your hand first, by the way, if you know it. Ready? Go. Easy cue.
Mami ba kasi?
Ayaw mo ba, May? Guys, sponsor niyo ako ng tripod. Joke lang.
It's my TV time!
Okay,
Twice.
we'll go to the second song.
Is that right?
TT, that's right. Second song. Ready? Cue.
Fire by BTS.
Third song, are you guys ready?
Oh, Blackpink.
I'm just gonna sing it. Hit you with that do do do.
We'll take it.
Am I right?
Right. Especially since she was second. So, fourth song, are you ready? Cue.
That's my solo bro. Let's thank you next.
Correct. Okay. Next song. Yeah, Mika. So, next song. Cue.
Sorry. Justin.
It's Sorry by Justin Bieber.
Wow.
Okay. Down to our second to last, so maybe we'll see. We have time. Next song. Cue.
Taylor Swift.
Cruel Summer.
I thought you were gonna keep singing the thing. Everyone stop the Colette, you already.
Stop. Okay, Colette.
Sample!
Ito na. Wow.
Okay, last and final song. This might be actually a very hard one. So. Cute. Yes, what song? You know this song?
Cherry on top by Beanie.
Of course, you have to stream that on all streaming platforms. Yes, you saw the performance in clips. So yes, you are 100% correct. Yes, owned it, girls. Now, since you guys played the game, we're gonna have the blooms in here play a game.
Woo! Oy, the girl. Sa'yo ka na. Salamin.
We have some cherries here.
Oh, cherries? Oh.
Some cherries. Okay. Some cherries that we want to give away from each member.
Oh, I want one.
Yes. We're gonna do a quiz.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna ask
Quiz. 1 plus 1.
a question, and then the Beanie members will point someone out.
Oh, ang hirap. Guys, help nyo me. Joke.
Okay.
Para makakuha tayong cherry.
Remember, please be safe. Be kind to everyone around you. Safety is key here. But let's just have some fun.
Sino? Ay, joke. Sorry. Teka lang, guys. Wait. Lalabas.
For the safety of our artists and people here. Okay. Is everyone ready?
Ayan, si Kuya. Alis muna daw siya. Hindi siya magpe-play.
Who is the youngest and the oldest
Sino?
member? of
Wala.
the Beanie?
Kasi Malo yung oldest.
Hindi, si Aya yung oldest ata.
Yeah, we'll take from each member too.
I choose her.
Sino si her?
Aww.
What's the answer?
If you're wrong, oh my gosh. Who's the youngest po?
Hindi niya po.
It's me. Yes, the oldest is Ate Aya. She's right. She's right. You have a cherry.
Oh, gusto ko rin ng cherry.
Congratulations.
Paano ko manalo?
Okay, question 2. Who is the main
Oh,
dancer?
Sinong main dancer, guys? Sinong main dancer?
Sino may dancer?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sino?
Sino nga? Sino? Uy, sagutin nyo. Sino?
Taas ka lang.
Okay.
Yes, you. Nagtingin na silang puto, baby girl.
Guys, bilisan nyo
Guys,
isa pa.
tulungan nyo naman kami para manalo kami nung Beanie na Na merch, please.
Okay, si Sheena. Si Sheena ka, si Sheena. Okay. Wala yung, nasa kabila yung pinili nila guys eh.
Ano?
Gusto ko rin. Wow! Sino yun? Ay, may pakag.
May pahag. Ako din.
Ay, may pa-picture. Ang cute. Ay, shock.
Kailangan ako.
Okay, sige guys. Sumagot lang kayo
All right,
bigla.
we're going to go with the third question. Who is the main vocalist?
Sino?
Si Colette, di ko alam eh. Pag nakataas ako.
All of them, besides one.
Vocalist.
At the back!
Anyone from this side?
Na tayo.
Okay, I think the one with yes. Okay, what is your answer?
Maloy.
Yes! But there's another
Maloy.
one. Who is the second one?
She got it right.
Yes.
If you don't mind standing.
Nandun sa kabila guys.
Yes. Good job. Now come and get your cherries.
Safety first for our audience.
Ang ganda si Aya!
Naiingit naman ako. Baby,
Ang
ba?
ganda ni
Next question,
Aya!
guys.
Alright, next
Oh,
question.
ako na.
Gali, taas mo na yung kami mo.
What song is Beanie's pre-debut track?
Coconut.
Siguro, taas mo lang kamay mo. Go.
Can I choose
Taas mo lang kamay mo.
her? The one with cliche top. Yeah.
The white one. Yeah. Oh, I love the outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Ay, si ate nanalo. Guys, sa malayo yung pinipili nila. Ay.
Oh,
Sino?
si Maloy yung nagbigay. Ayoko na. Guys, kailangan manalo ng isa.
Guys, malayo nga si Kenzel eh.
We're gonna
And,
ask some bias questions. So if you were listening earlier, this is like a perfect time.
Okay, bias question daw.
Who is Sheena's bias?
Twice na.
Enhypen, di ba?
Twice yan.
Sino yung bias niya sa Enhypen daw? Guys, sino? Ay, ito. Jungwon.
Ha?
Jungwon?
The pink, the one wearing pink with a glove. Yes, you. You are the chosen one.
Yeah!
Jungwon.
Jungwon.
Yes. Come here, baby.
Gusto ko si Sheena! Ayan, si Stacy.
Alright. Now, next question is who is Maloy's twice bias?
Sino twice ba siya?
Hindi ko alam. Sinong mali twice na? Ano daw? Taas mo lang kamay mo. Taas mo lang kamay mo.
Stop.
Hindi eh. Nakataas.
Dalawa daw eh.
Dalawa, isa pa.
Dalawa.
Sino pa? Sino pa? Nayon. Sana. Half. Swerte ni Kuya. Ay, si Colette.
Hindi, may chance na mag-ask.
Ito, nagtataas guys. Pero... Ay, sakla.
Final Cherry from Mika. Alright.
Wala, di pa nagbibigay si Sheena. Pati si Mika.
BTS debut.
2017, di ba?
Itaas mo, may mo. Dali, itaas mo, may mo. Oh, kailan nag-debut yung...
2019.
Guys, kailan nag-debut?
Their official debut.
Guys, kailan sila nag-debut?
Sorry, even I don't know yet.
2010.
I don't
Or the year.
Mika! Mika! Sa kabilang side siya nakatingin eh.
What day?
If everyone can give her a chance.
June
11, 2020.
11, 2021. Are you sure? Can we clarify?
That's correct. No, the year works. You got the month.
It's correct. Did it?
Guys, nasa kabila eh.
Congratulations.
Ayan si Mika na.
So now I actually want to ask the booms here too. I do want to open the floor to any questions you have for me. So,
Okay, so ano gusto yung
in
itanong?
orderly conduct, if you'd like to ask them a question,
Ano gusto
we'll
yung
probably have
tanongin?
time for 3 to 5, depending. Raise your hand and I'll probably run to you and yeah, ask a question. So,
Ano na guys?
who would like to ask a question?
Ano gusto yung tanong?
Yes, in the front.
Hindi ko-
I'll
hindi ko-
come to you now. To my
Ito nga,
card.
inatanong ko. Ah, mag-type kayo ng tanong nyo guys.
Sir, you're so kind. Hi, what would you like to
Kamusta na si Joanna? Tanungin mo kamusta na si Joanna. Wala siya dyan.
I was wondering what it's like to be like an international idol in like the K-pop space and like how you guys navigate that.
Actually, we just started going international, especially this year. And I feel like at the start it was very abrupt because the song Patropica just suddenly boomed in the Philippines and on TikTok. So I think we just really go by the day because we always continue to do our best and we just really strive for excellence and we don't want to change any of our values, but we just want to keep learning more and more. So I guess that's our group's value. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Olive, and we are currently trainees about to do a survival show. Is there any tips that you would help us?
Tips daw.
Looking back when I was a trainee, I guess I would
It's
always
alien.
just go back to the roots, aka my what's and whys. And I apply that whenever I join something or in those times when I feel lost. Like, why am I here? What are the reasons why I'm here? Why I still continue? And the answer for all of that is always for me, my family, and for Him, for the Lord. And yes, in times where I feel like
Tips daw para sa trainee.
I feel like not enough, but especially when I have a support system, aka my family, they keep me going, and then prayers that it really helped me a lot. And then I also do some things or have outlets wherein I can express myself. That's why I have a lot of things like hobbies, yes, and yeah, that's what really helps me. I hope that helps you. Yeah. Good luck.
Ito. Hindi, ayaw nila eh. Okay, sige. Kaya mo na.
Hi, I'm Grace. Oh, sorry. Hi, I'm Grace.
I-mention mo sa kanila nakalive ka. Tabi
Sige.
Change their hair for a long time ago. You guys have had the same hair color for a while. We just had red hair for a while. So I was wondering what hairstyles or what hair colors would you guys want to try in the future?
One by one. I want to try the dark blonde with a blue, deep blue.
Oh.
I want to try ginger.
Wow, ginger. Kay Stacy. Ano po?
One. Maybe ashtray or platinum blonde. Blonde, yes, platinum blonde.
Anong hair color na gusto nila
I
i-dye?
want to try long hair because I've been in short hair for like 5 years already. And for my hair color, I think
I like that. Yeah, let's forget about that. Thank you.
All right, I'm coming down this row.
Ano nga na? Sa kabila na siya.
Raise your hand.
Ano na siya sa kabila?
Let's get a guy. Let's get a guy. You're very, very enthusiastic. Would you like to come to the stage? I don't know if I'm gonna fit there. So, if you don't mind, I apologize. Name and question.
Hello, my name is Calvin, and my question for you is, so some of us guys and people who aren't like really fan of like girlish songs, didn't actually start getting hooked into your music until we saw your Beanie Core or Kanal Humor videos. So I was just wondering if y'all have any plans to do more again soon in the future, because I'm really looking forward to that.
Like Beanie Core videos.
Like you're like just doing like your usual selves.
Oh, we're very active in social media. We post everything, like everything. We don't filter anything. I think that's why people love us. And I know a lot of groups are like requesting for us to have like reality show, but you know, do we have time? No, we don't have. But maybe in the future, yeah, in the future we would love, because I'm also a very big K-pop fan. You know, like the 17, the Ghost. So I want to have something like that for us to be. Yes, we'll be releasing our documentary. So very excited to be there.
I think that's the secret of Beanie, is that you guys are always, what you see is what you get. And that's
Yeah.
the secret of your personalities and how you
Kakanal is
shine.
really kanal.
But if you don't mind, what is kanali?
Kanal is like
Talagang feel mo the way that they
What's that the what?
ang nakaka-stop ng time sa mga boy.
in the Philippines we in English. There's canal humor is like the Filipino, like Beanie, like we always laugh, have fun, and we don't really mind what we say, what we think. And in the Philippines, there's this thing called aircon humor, like the konyo guys, konyo girls. Sino konyo dito?
Who is Konyo? Konyo is like a mix of Taglish for those who don't know.
Did you know when you go to the mall talaga, right?
It's really mixing Tagalog and English. Yeah, alright. Let's go to this side. Yeah, oh, nice top. Okay, girl.
Ay, design yung ano. Ay, okay.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Kelly. I love you guys. I'm a big blue. And as a woman in her early 20s, it's very hard, and I bet it's harder for you guys because you're all superstars. So I just want to ask, how do you handle the pressure of being a woman in your early 20s and being the nation's girl group at the same time? Because I think you guys handled it so gracefully and well, so we want to know.
Aya, the woman that you are, you answered it.
Yes, it is indeed hard. I think it's hard for us being a woman, being a man, whenever you are in the spectrum. But I think like for us girls, since we all share similar experiences together and we go through these things together, it's hard at times because there's so many things that people say that you should be this, A, B, C, or D, or you should be that. But I guess what makes us us and what we stick to is that we just be ourselves, we be the happy, sad, angry version, whatever version that may be, because everything is valid, whatever emotion you have. They're there for a reason. It's like the movie Inside Out. They're there for a reason. And even if so many people have a lot of things to say to you, but I think in the end, what matters is you and your truth, what you value the most, in which I think that's what you should focus, the things that you value, and your values as a person. Yeah.
What's your name and what's your question?
Hi, I'm
Nasaan?
Maria, and me and my sister are wondering, what's your guys' go-to karaoke song?
Yes, down the line. I'm very curious because I was going to share this. Yes.
Bang Bang!
We might as well sample it since you're here.
Yun nga, baka dito lang yun tayo.
Every birthday, every occasion, we sing this song.
Nice. I'll go to you, sir.
Dito ba?
Yeah, I just gotta do some cardio here. Alright, move from this side. No one in the middle. No one. Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Sandy. Hi, kamusta? So I have a question. Do you have any plans of having a sub-unit in the future? Or it's like 8 or none?
Of course, right now, secret.
Oh!
We shows maybe on a Grand Prix trip.
Oh.
But right now, we're not really sure.
Yes po, nasa LA po sila.
Who are you? Now that's a good question. Well, who would you pair up with in the group to do your units? It could be a triad or a duo. Who would it be? As I find the next question. Krista has a question.
Joanna, because I love Joanna and I miss her so much.
Oh, ang ganda ni Stacy.
Josie, Angan. Sila yung kaya ba? Kaya.
Wag na?
Speechless na sila, guys.
Antok na yung mga yun. 5:30 daw.
We have a question. Hi.
Nasa kalikod.
If you would like to stand.
Try natin magtanong.
Yung
viewers. Tignan mo kailan yung viewers niya.
We love you
Oh
over
my
here.
gosh.
As a
Ilan ako ilan.
American, I'm super proud to see you guys. You can listen to you in the car, and I have my cousins over there, 2 boy cousins, that also listen to you, and my uncle. So now, my question is, I'm here with a couple of producers. They produced for BTS and Taemin, and if they wanted to work with you, how would that work?
Actually, our director is just so brilliant. Direct Lauren.
Uy, si Dirk. Oh, yan lang pala.
They're next to each other. Tatay Blue. Siya na daw yung sasagot.
It would be an honor for the girls who can be
Hi, ako nga pala si Dave Ivan. I've been a pre-debut stan since Star Hunt Days. And the reason that, and I actually learned yes because of your performance during the big night. So, my question is, if you were to switch with someone, one of the members, who would it be and why?
Oh my god, wait, I love this.
Switch lads, sorry.
Wala,
Wait, give me first, please.
Sino yun?
I wanna switch bodies and bring to Sheena. Because she just amazes me, you know?
Yeah.
How she thinks, how she acts. So,
Thank you, Mix.
Sino daw yung gusto nilang mag-switch ng body?
Kung magpapalit sila ng katawan, sino?
Maybe Ala. Because I love her energy. Even though we have a busy schedule this day, the next day she still has a lot of energy. She go jog, hike, go to the mountains, go to anywhere. My third mountain.
I want to be Ate Paloy because I want to be small like her someday. Is that compliment? Is that even a compliment? You're cute. I want to be small and cute. With that being said, I want to switch with you because I want to be tall. And I want to try.
Merong producer daw dito na like nag-work with BTS and stuff. So, tinatanong if willing ba daw sila mag-work with
I want
international producers. Yung iba hangin sa ede.
No, I wanna be like Joanna. Yeah. Never mind because you guys will bully me if ever.
Yeah, don't be her.
Wait, dyan lang kayo guys. Wait lang.
Yeah, don't be her.
Wait, dyan lang kayo guys. Wait lang.
Do a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
I just wanna do a lot. I don't want to switch with anyone because they might get winged. I want to switch with Stacy because she's a very positive person. I think I need that in my life.
Me too, I want to switch with Ate Jo because she's resting now. I'm just kidding. Yeah, she's feeling it right now. Like, when will you go back? Yeah, Ate Jo, because I'm obsessed with her. So why not be her? Yes, thank you. You go.
Hard question. I actually want to switch with you. I want to be a great dancer as you.
Aww.
Yeah, but the
Switch places?
No, I would actually want to switch places with Sheena because you're a great dancer. I think you've gone through a lot. You persevered so much in your life, and you.
So wala talaga si Joanne.
All you deserve.
Hindi talaga siya sumunod.
Baka may sakit na.
There's not that much representation as well, especially in this space. And you guys are doing it, and I really am so happy that you guys are here. This is my dream, this is my goal, and it's a full circle moment for me to see fellow Filipinos here doing it. What the world will offer to you. With that being said, we're about to conclude our program.
no.
But we're gonna give you a chance to do a photo time like we do like in K-pop. So girls, if you guys want to stand in poses however you want, we'll do like a 1-minute photo session, and then we will take the Samsung Galaxy and take a selfie. So girls, if you guys want to stand up, pose however you want, have your fans take a photo, do photo time for you.
Okay guys, picturean nyo na sila. Tapos na po.
It's like K-pop fan signings, how you just pose however you guys want. I mean, we're just standing behind it anyway. Yes, like K-pop fan signs. All right, photo time. Let's go. Yes. Should I just count down 3, 2, 1, and then pose? 3, 2, 1, pose. Are you guys in position? All right. 3, 2, 1, pose. And another pose, if you'd like. Yes. I'm hearing wacky. LA? Oh. One more pose with the A. Yeah. Can I actually get this? And then I know we'll give you the Samsung Galaxy to take a selfie. You guys will just come to
Nag-Samsung pa na.
Hey guys, follow nyo po ako, tapos magpo-post pa ako ng pictures nila rin.
Babalik na ako.
Technical difficulty. Okay, you got it? Yes. Everyone, a little bit. Yes, you got it. I'll help you. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. All right, let's do another one. 3, 2, 1. I guess she's gonna keep pressing. So however you guys want to pose, you're here. All right. Yes. Thank you so much. And as we get back to our seats, we'll have our evening dance. Oh, you can actually pass it to me. Oh, the beanie they exist. No, it's beanie dollars for your blooms. As we wrap up, are there any things you'd like to say to the blooms here?
I love you! I love you! Mahal kita!
We'll come back.
Woo!
We'll come back. Direct, Lauren. Yes, they said yes. Okay. We just want to say we really appreciate you guys so much. We did not expect there to be this much people, and we're so thankful. So thank you so much, and we will continue.
Guys, hindi ko po alam paano mag-upload ng live. But I will look it up.
With that being said, we want to say
salamat sa ayuda.
I love you, Sheena.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's because we are running out of time. This is the end of our program, so on behalf of everyone at KCON, I just want to say thank you to you guys for being here. Thank you to the blooms for taking time out of their day to get to.
I love you, Sheena. Love you, Manay.
Everyone, please stay safe, stay hydrated, and please make sure you eat. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, last one final goodbye as you exit the stage. Thank you.
Thank you.